Dignity Electronics was founded in 1994 as an HMI and touch solution supplier, and for 25 years has been focused on researching, designing, and manufacturing interface solutions for consumer and commercial applications for both domestic and internationally based customers in the US, European, Korean, Japanese, and other markets. Dignity provides standard and custom-designed HMI components to companies worldwide and has the required know-how, skills, and hardware to build the right solutions for any customer's needs. With 25 technical staff and 10 patents, Dignity has extensive capabilities for in-house design, engineering, and product innovation, and has achieved certifications for electronics, clean room, and automotive component manufacturing. Dignity currently manages 2 facilities with a total area of 25,000 square meters, including a Class 1000 clean room production area of 3,500 square meters, and multiple touchscreen integration production cells related to Class 100 and above. With 500 workers, Dignity currently produces millions of components per year, including hundreds of thousands of touchscreens. With our new vertically integrated facility in place, we have multiple automated and semi-automated production lines, CNC, optical bonding, roll-to-roll manufacturing of printed sensors, and in-house integration and assembly services. We have the manufacturing and design capabilities necessary to serve customers for both low-volume, highly mixed projects in the industrial and medical fields, as well as high-volume, standardized production runs for consumer markets. We look forward to cooperating with you in the future.